Hey everyone, I'm Jacq, and today we're going to talk about the scary thing called meditation. But it's not that scary. There's an idea, I think, that the mind is supposed to be calm and quiet in meditation, but that's not what it's about. Okay, so the practice will be to notice when thoughts come into the mind, which they do all day long. It means you're alive, your brain's working, it's okay. But what we're going to work on is coming back to a focus of one point, which will be our breath. And anytime the mind comes in and say, oh no, I forgot to buy laundry detergent, or crap, I wonder if my husband's picking up my daughter from school. Whatever it is, did he text me back, it's okay. The practice is to just notice when that happens and come back to the breath. So as soon as a thought comes in, you might just label it as thinking, and then close the eyes, come back to the breath, thinking, and it might look like thinking, and that's okay. That's why we start with 5 minutes, all right? Comfortable seat, so important. If you're not comfortable and stable, you'll fidget. So I like to sit with my shins down. I'm sitting on a block. That's just a little bit sturdier for me. You might find 2 blocks. You might sit cross-legged, blanket, pillow, whatever works for you. All right, so stable seat. And we'll sit together for just 5 minutes. Let's close our eyes. So let's begin by regulating the breath. And this simply means that the breath is not short and choppy. And if it is short and choppy naturally, then the practice is to smooth it out. Especially the exhale. Exhale, exhale. Let that be long and smooth. The spine is stacked, meaning it's nice and long. You're sitting tall and upright, but it's not stiff. The body does have some little movement just because you're breathing. Remember, label any thoughts or irritations or stories as thinking. You might bring your attention to that quiet whisper of the breath in the throat. And feel your sit bones, those 2 pointy bones in your bottom as they press into your block or your pillow. And imagine on your in-breath, from that place, there's this upward rising of energy. Naturally, the body rises on your inhale. And then the heart and spine stay long with the shoulders, and the pelvis is heavy on your exhale. Breathe in. And breathe out. If a story begins to seduce the mind and it seems like you just can't let it go, on your exhale, imagine you're breathing that chatter out. And then as you breathe in, clearing and spacious. As you breathe out, empty. The mantra, begin again, can be helpful to remind you that there's no doing it wrong. You're alive, your brain is active. And every breath invites you back to begin again, to be still, and to be the watcher, the observer of what comes into the mind. Thinking. Let your eyes slowly blink open. And give yourself a pat on the back, because we did it. 5 whole minutes, it's hard. So know that you're not alone. 5 minutes sounds short, but then when you're sitting here in one place, it's tough. But 5 minutes makes a big difference. Start by incorporating this into your lifestyle practice, right? Just once a day, 3 times a week. Start small, and then together we can make it grow. All right, have a beautiful day. Find me on Instagram at mindfulish, and I'll catch you soon. Namaste.